Hey everyone, finding it challenging to use Photoshop or other tools for makeup purposes? Starting now, you can forget about the hassle of retouching your beautiful photos. Allow me to introduce you to CArt, a free AI makeup tool that's got you covered. Alright, begin by visiting the CArt website, then head over to Swift AI and finally explore the AI makeup section. Alright, on this page, you'll notice several modes that allow you to effortlessly retouch your photos with just one click. Remember, these aren't just filters. They offer more than that. Okay everyone, let's give it a go. Upload some sample images and witness the magical results of this AI-based makeup tool. Wow, pretty amazing, isn't it? Let's take a closer look at our fantastic results. Let's experiment with another photo using the same mode. Great! Now you all know that there's no need to manually retouch your photos using tools like Photoshop. Just give this a try. And the best part? It's completely free. Alright everyone, I'm wrapping up this video by trying another mode with a new photo to showcase the results. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends. Goodbye.